Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Lynn, and in today's video I'm going to share with y'all how to make some buttermilk. If you have a recipe that calls for like 1 cup of buttermilk and you don't want to buy those little quarts or a half a gallon, I'm going to show you today what to use that you probably already have to make yourself some homemade buttermilk. Let's get started. Now I'm going to show y'all how to do it and what it looks like and the texture you get when you make buttermilk yourself. This is what you do to make a cup of buttermilk. You use whole milk or the milk of your choice. You can either use 1 tablespoon of vinegar or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So whichever you have will make you 1 cup of buttermilk. We're using whole milk. And I believe you might could use the 2% or even the lower fat milk, but we always get the whole milk, so that's what we're going to be using today. And what you do is you'll just take you a measuring cup and you're going to measure out 1 cup of milk. To make that 1 cup of buttermilk, you add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or either 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Today, I'm going to use the vinegar, but you can use lemon juice if you don't have vinegar. Either one of these products will turn your whole milk into buttermilk. So we're just going to measure out our 1 tablespoon to that 1 cup. And we're going to give it a mix. And now we're going to let that sit there for around 5 to 8 minutes. And then you'll have yourself 1 cup of buttermilk. For any recipe buttermilk for, you can make it yourself and you don't have to buy those quarts. Doing it this way will help you save money. You can buy 1 kind of milk and use it to make yourself some homemade buttermilk. Okay, I'm going to pour our buttermilk in this little dish right here and let you see the different texture that that vinegar gave our milk. You can tell that the milk is a little bit more thicker than what it was when we started. Okay, to make your buttermilk, you just use any type of acid to go with your whole milk. You can use, like we talked about, white vinegar, lemon juice, and you can even use apple cider vinegar. It makes your milk turn curdle, and that's what turns it into buttermilk. Here's what our buttermilk has turned out to look like. Okay, y'all, I hope you liked that quick little video on showing you how to make buttermilk without spending all that extra money. Back years ago, our grandparents didn't run out and buy buttermilk. They used their whole milk and made their own. You don't have to spend all that extra money. You can do it yourself. I hope this video helps you save money and time. And you can already tell that the milk is getting a little thicker, just like the buttermilk you buy. It's been around 5 minutes. And I can tell that my milk has already thickened up. So when you need some buttermilk, use what you got and make your own. You don't have to spend all that extra money. I hope this helps you save money and time in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.